Hey friends, this is Arjun. Today I am going to show you how to do keyword research for Google Ad campaign for getting better Google Ads result. So let's get started. So I log in my Google Ads account. I'm going to back. So from here I have to click on this option, tools and settings, then keyword planner. From here you should click on this option, discover new keywords, and you have to put some your main keywords on this box, and you have to select your language and your targeted location. So let's say I am going to do keyword research for floor repair services for New York City. So let's say this is one of my main keyword. There's another one. So I press enter and change my targeted location. From here, cross it out, select New York City, United States, then save, then click on this option, get result. So keyword planner is showing me some keywords. So you can select your targeted keywords from here. Let's say I am going to click this one, this one, this one, not this one, this one. So I selected 10 keywords, and now I can download these 10 keywords from here, clicking this option. Just click here and you can download it on Google Sheet or CSV file. I'm going to download this option, CSV file, and it's downloading, preparing for download. So it's downloaded here. Here is the file. And another thing you can do is you can change your location, targeted location, just raw keyword. I am taking this out and just typing floor refinishing service and floor repair. So I'll get much more keywords from here than previous, like hardwood, floor refinishing near me, good keyword, wood floor repair, this one, this one, this one. I am going to also download this file, these 4 selected keywords from here, and I will add these 4 keywords with previous 10 keywords, and you can run your campaign by finding out different types of keywords like near me keywords or location based keywords. So that's all. If you want to watch my next video, which is about ad budgeting, how to set up ad budget and how to forecast and how to determine cost per click amount, so you can watch my next video. Till then, bye bye.